Oh, that's scary, huh?
Alright y'all, we at the outlet today, Candy Crew. Chasing out the new deals here. The parking lot is kind of crowded. I'm a little nervous. But let's see what we can go find.
Are you ready? It's showtime.
These are new BINS coming in with shoes and accessories.
Oh, that's scary, huh?
At this moment, I'm trying to be strategic and try to grab something that people are missing out. First thing I see is this backpack, so I grab it. Excuse me, can I just grab this? Oh, thank you. This is the before picture of the shoes. This is after I provided some TLC to the shoes. And guess what? They already sold on Facebook Marketplace for $65 plus shipping. I grabbed this hat and it should sell for about 10 bucks. These two bags should sell for at least $15 each. Yes, he just tossed a pair of Hoka shoes, and of course I grabbed them. Here are the shoes after I cleaned them up. I have them listed on Facebook Marketplace for $55. My hands were now full, so it was time to go to my basket. That was a lot. So I also grabbed these 2 sealed board games. I took a break, but now it's time to go back to the overcrowded bins. So the gentleman threw the shoes and I decided to pick them up. Guys, these are worth some money. So I found another woman's Hoka shoe in a size 7.5 and I cleaned those up. Let me show y'all those right now. They already sold on Facebook Marketplace for $35 plus shipping. In the same bin, I spot these all black New Balances. I just grabbed them right there and I'm setting them in my cart. Boom, look at them. Here they go, all cleaned up, and I have them listed for $45 on Facebook Marketplace. What I just tossed in the cart was this vintage New Era Angels hat that should sell for around 40 bucks. Look at how everyone else has their baskets covered up. I was so amazed by that. It seemed like this vintage Nike sportswear hat was just waiting on me. It needs some cleaning up, but I got it. Look at it now. It should sell for around 40 bucks. I grabbed another racket bag. This one should also sell for around 15 to 20 bucks. These Nikes have great resale value, but I spotted that hole and had to throw them back. Then I found this one New Balance shoe. Luckily, it was a young lady in there. She was so sweet. She gave me the other shoe. I'll be sure to cash her out next time I see her because I didn't have any cash on me. These are currently listed on Facebook Marketplace for $40 plus shipping. This young lady had found one Balenciaga shoe, but she couldn't find another pair, so she was going around asking everybody else if they have seen it. I then found these Kenneth Cole dress shoes. I'm shocked that they was just sitting there and no one grabbed them. These shoes didn't require cleaning, so I just listed them on Facebook Marketplace for $40 plus shipping. My cart was getting full at this point, but I like to go over everything before I purchase it to make sure that, you know, the sale price is right. She is still looking for that other Balenciaga shoe. I hope she found it. I am so glad that I caught this on film. This nice woman was giving me the other Hoka shoe that I was missing. She didn't have to do that, so like I said before, the next time I see her, I'll be sure to cash her out because I don't have any cash on me. Now it is time to check out. Hello. For those that don't know, they charge about £1 here for nearly everything, except those board games I got. They were $2 each.
They had them for $2 each. $2 each. Okay, I see that.
We could go double the
Oh, no. No. All right.
Okay, 50 on 3.
Okay.
3 bags full. I got the G-Wagon. Let's put it in here so we could go. All right, Candy Crew, I'm back in the G-Wagon. I cleaned up. That's the most I've ever spent at a Goodwill BINS. But we're going to do pretty well. I'm going to clean those shoes up. After I wash the shoes, I also hand clean them as well. I'm going to give y'all a breakdown how much money we going to make. We about to become debt free. Alright guys, so I spent a total of $50. Already sold $100 worth of items and a potential gross sales. That's with the minimum amount I'm asking for selling is $475. I'm doing this video right now to show you guys the hard work that I put into cleaning these shoes. I could have just sold them as is, but I wouldn't have got as much. So do your part, and I promise you the rest will work itself out. Keep hustling, y'all. Staying positive, and TTYL.